Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. IKRAM ARIF. Today my topic of discussion is top 8 COVID vaccine. First of all, there is Pfizer vaccine and BioNTech vaccine, which is messenger RNA and nucleoside modified RNA. It has two shots and its efficacy is 90 to 94%. Its country appropriation is US and Germany. At second number there is Moderna vaccine, which is messenger RNA. Also nucleoside modified RNA vaccine. It has two shots. Its efficacy of 90 to 94%. Its country appropriation is also US. At third number there is Johnson & Johnson vaccine, which is viral vector vaccine, which is human adenovirus. It has one shot. Its efficacy is 70 to 85%. Its country appropriation is US and Belgium. So in US there is three vaccine: Pfizer, Moderna and Johnson & Johnson. At fourth number there is AstraZeneca vaccine, which is viral vector vaccine, which is modified chimpanzee adenovirus. It has two shots, which has efficacy of 70 to 90%. Its country appropriation is UK and Sweden. At fifth number there is Sputnik V vaccine, which is viral vector vaccine, which is modified adenovirus. It has two shots. Its efficacy is 85 to 90%. Its preparation country is Russia. At sixth number there is Sinovac Coronavac vaccine, which is also available in Pakistan. It is inactivated virus. It has two shots. Its efficacy is 67 to 75%. Its country appropriation is China. At 7 number there is Novavax vaccine, which is protein based vaccine. It has two shots, which has efficacy of 85 to 89%. Its country appropriation is US. At 8 number there is Covaxin vaccine. It is inactivated virus. It has two shots. Its efficacy is 70 to 80%. Its preparation country is India. So all vaccines have efficacy of 60 to 90%. In Pakistan, Sinovac, AstraZeneca and Sinopharm vaccine are available. Sinovac vaccine is China and AstraZeneca is UK based, and Sinopharm is also preparation of country is also China. Thank you.